Hello, everybody. I'm Kelly with Collage-Lab, and I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of what all is included inside of our membership. Take a look and let me know if you have any questions. And as soon as you log in, you'll see this menu along the left-hand side. Start here is going to give you a welcome video, a walkthrough of the membership platform, and this little membership questionnaire. If you fill that out, it's going to tell you what your next steps are, and it's also going to give you a success path. And there are several success paths depending on if you're a learner, an explorer, a seeker, a builder, or a leader, and these will give you a few of the previous lessons that you can jump in and start your own journey. You can also look at all of the different courses, but that's a bit overwhelming. We've got a fabulous calendar that's going to tell you all of our upcoming events, and as you can see, there's a lot going on in the membership. But if you click on that calendar, you're going to have the Zoom link, the time, and then you can go ahead and you can add that directly to your calendar, whether you use Google Calendar, Apple, Yahoo, Outlook, or Office 365. So that's really a handy way to keep track of everything going on inside your membership. I also have it all listed under new and upcoming events, all of the different links for everything happening live on Zoom. But if you can't attend live, there are all the recordings here in your membership. So I'm just going to go over quickly what's included in the membership. First of all, we get together once a month for the Ignite Monthly Challenge, and all the replays are available here. Every month I issue a challenge, and you can create one or more collages for the challenge. So this goes all the way back to September 2023 when we started the membership, and the challenge was fun and games. And then each month I also share your submissions from the previous month and then issue the new challenge. So if you want some challenges, there are a lot in the membership. Every month we get together on Zoom for a conversation. It's called Coffee and Collage, and we have discussed all sorts of things: eco-friendly collage, AI, how to organize your collage materials and supplies, calls for artists, collaborations, imposter syndrome, commercial viability versus personal expression, narrative and storytelling. We give book recommendations. We talk about social commentary, collage communities, how we consume social media, mail art, the creative process, technology, unconventional art supplies, all sorts of fabulous conversations. And you can also listen to these as a podcast. So that's an option as well. Private podcast. Expand is another get together each month on Zoom. We started with going back to the Collage Alphabet course and revisiting each of the lessons with a new project. And so it goes all the way back to A is for accordion. We went through the entire alphabet, and then we've made Expand, since we're done with the alphabet, into a new project each month. This is also a place where I'm going to be bringing in guest artists. We brought in Lisa McKenna of Rebel Art Lab, and she taught us simple digital collage. I have several more guest artists coming in for this slot over the course of 2026. And then I'm going to skip Elevate for a minute. Something else in all the memberships is something called Anytime Co-working, and this is an opportunity for you to jump on Zoom anytime you want and get together with other members. You can chat, you can ask questions, you can share your progress, you could share your process, and so that's something our members really enjoy. We also have, up here at the top, we have ambassadors, and the Lab Rats ambassadors are here to welcome new members in and get you involved quickly. And so these are our ambassadors, little introduction video to each of them. And you also have the opportunity to do a co-working session hosted by one of the ambassadors. So you can do anytime co-working with whoever shows up, or you can go ahead and log into the scheduled ambassador hosted co-working sessions, because the ambassadors have been around for a while and they are going to help you get the most out of your membership. We also do quarterly swaps and collaborations. These are optional if you want to participate. In 2025 we did an artist trading card swap. We did a swap where we made chaos papers. We did halvesies where someone started a collage and finished it, and we're going to do a digital collage collaboration here in the first quarter of 2026. And then there's a whole bunch of member bonuses. This is a brand new workshop called the Daily Art Survival Kit. If you're getting ready to do a daily challenge such as Febrillage or 100-day project or index card a day project, index card a day challenge, and so there's the replay of this workshop along with a bunch of other resources and a fabulous workbook. It's just going to download it instead of showing me. So that is a bonus. There are also Collage Coaching Week is 7 days of everything you ever needed to know about collage. So if you're a beginner, if you join the Elevated Alchemy level of the membership, you also get for free access to Collage Alphabet, which is our year-long class that goes through the alphabet with a series of projects and techniques and materials. There are some other bonuses. You can watch the replay of 6 collages in 60 minutes. There's just a ton of stuff that's added here as bonuses. And if you join Elevated Alchemy level, you get the Elevate courses. So as soon as you join, you get these intensive courses. There are 4 each year. And I'll just show you quickly. Design Secrets is a deep dive into the elements and principles of design and how we can use them in our collage compositions. So this is a 6-week class, and it really is a deep dive, and you've got access to the replays right away. in 2024, we also went into print on demand, not only putting your collages on merchandise, but also step-by-step how to publish your collage art in a book. Collage Playground is another composition course. It's a really playful approach to the basics of composition. So if you're just starting out, it's another 6-week course that you can watch the replays anytime. And then we did a fun diversion in 2024 called Collage Your Style, where we created wearable collage art, baubles and bangles, and earrings and bracelets and pendants and all sorts of new materials. It was really a lot of fun, and people made a lot of gifts in that class. So you've got access to that right away. In 2025, we started with an Elevate called Non-Traditional Collage, more than just paper. We did reverse collage on glass, paper clay vessels and fabric collage, and other substrates. Just explored and experimented with a lot of non-traditional substrates. And then a deep dive into working in series and several approaches to that, different approaches to abstract work in abstracted and deconstructed, another 6-week course that you have immediate access to. And we finished up 2025 with a course called Collage Totems, where we worked for the entire 3 months on one very meaningful totem collage or assemblage, or whatever direction students wanted to go, for a deeply meaningful storytelling piece, and the results were just amazing. So in 2026, we have just begun Wax and Paper Fusion, where we are exploring collage with encaustic wax, a little bit of working with cold wax or beeswax as well. And later in 2026, we will have another composition course. This one's called Principles in Practice. We'll also have one where we spend 3 months creating a one-of-a-kind artist book. And the final Elevate Intensive of 2026 is called Paper Fabric Fodder, and we will be creating all sorts of elements for collage. So that's the courses. That's what you will find inside the membership from day one. And then the best part of Collage-Lab is the community. And we have our own private forum. You can see all the different categories here, and people post their artwork. They post for our monthly challenge, which the one coming up right now is birds, and you can comment, you can ask questions, you can share different resources with the other members, and it's right here on this platform. You don't have to go anywhere else. So that is a quick little down and dirty look at what's inside the Collage-Lab membership, and I would love to welcome you to that. Joining me today, I would love to see you inside our membership. Doors are closing for the Elevated Alchemy membership at midnight Central Time on February 1st. So join us now at explore.collagelab.com/join. Or if you're not ready or just want a taste, the Alchemy Foundations membership is always open at that same link. The lab rats are waiting to welcome you over at Collage-Lab. We'd love to see you there.